Hello everyone, myself Irene Barua, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in Assam Downtown University. So today I'll be explaining on the concept of image subtraction. Then I'll show you a simple MATLAB program to perform image subtraction on a given image. And finally I'll show you the output of the program. So what is image subtraction? So image subtraction is subtracting one image from another or subtracting constant from image. So here we have the syntax. So z equals to im subtract xy subtracts each element in array y from the corresponding element in the array x and returns the difference in the corresponding element of the output array z. So here is a simple MATLAB program to perform image subtraction on a given image. So let's start this program. So first we need to load two images, and for that I have used imread function. Image subtraction in MATLAB is a straightforward task. We need to declare a variable and we have to have an arithmetic operator to subtract the second image from the first image. To visualize the result, we'll have to use the subplot function and the imshow function. Kindly refer to my previous videos if you don't yet have any idea about these concepts. So let's run this program. And here is the result. So this is the first image. This is the second image. So the second image has been subtracted from the first image and the result is being shown here in the third image, that is the subtracted image. So this is how you can perform image subtraction in MATLAB. Thank you.